Feeling a bit bored with the plain walls in your kitchen? Well, get ready for a change. We are about to come up with some really cool decorating ideas that will turn your place into the trendiest spot in town. Bold and beautiful backsplashes. Forget plain white tiles and let your inner artist shine with a backsplash that steals the spotlight. Imagine geometric pattern, lively terrazzo, or a touch of rustic charm with fox brick. Your walls will want to pose for selfies. Hanging garden gone wild. Who says plants are just for the outdoors? Bring in the freshness with hanging gardens, vertical walls, or a few potted herbs near your sink. Your kitchen will turn into a breathing oasis, and your dishes will taste even better surrounded by nature. Artful accents and gallery walls. Art has incredible power. A standout canvas, a carefully arranged gallery wall, or even a playful neon sign can turn your kitchen into a personal gallery. Showcase your love for food, your unique personality, or simply bring joy with a clever pun. Chalkboard charm. Bring back memories of school days with a chalkboard wall. Use it to jot down recipes, plan your weekly meals, leave nice messages, or let the kids show off their creativity. It's a fun and interactive way to give your kitchen a personal touch. Textured treats. Don't be afraid to add some texture to your kitchen walls. Wood paneling, exposed brick, or even textured wallpaper can create visual interest and depth. It's a great way to make a statement and add warmth and character to your space. Shelf expression. Shelves aren't just for storing stuff, they're also a blank canvas for your creativity. Use them to display your favorite dishes, cookbooks, plants, or even personal mementos. It's a practical and stylish way to add personality and storage to your kitchen walls. So there you have it, drilling nerds. Your kitchen walls are begging for makeover. Get creative, have fun, and don't be afraid to experiment. Remember, the only limit is your imagination. And for more DIY tips and tricks, head over to drillingnerd.com.